What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to, automate an email response to anybody who will enter your list and will be added to your contacts. So this will be for the free versions or for the Mailchimp. The link will be in the description for the Mailchimp. Just click on that, and then you will be able to log in to your account and go to this dashboard. On the left-hand side, you have to navigate to the app automation option. Once you're in the automation option, just go in the scroll down, there is an automation says welcome new contacts. Click on that and you will be able to create this and use this flow. Just click on use this flow option. So anybody who will contacts to sign up to the Lunar, this is my brand identity. So for the sake of information, anybody who will be signed into my list, there will be an email which I can obviously add it and all the stuff. For example, here's the added option, the other added option, all that stuff. Once I have added the email and add the tag, I can send it right away to 250 contacts per month for the free version and 500 emails for the free version. That's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.